we discussed highest common factor concepts. I'll just repeat a few concepts. Highest common factor, highest common factor, highest common factor. What are the concepts that we discussed? First concept is HCF of A comma B is an element in the set, is an element in the set, factor of B minus A. First concept, HCF of A comma B is an element in the set, factor of B minus A. Second concept, highest common factor of A power x 1 minus 1, A power y minus 1 is A power HCF of x comma y minus 1, x comma y minus 1. Third concept, HCF of A written x times and A written y times. It is nothing but A written HCF of x comma y times. If you have missed the first session of HCF basics, these are some of the key points. Then we discussed HCF of coprime numbers is 1. HCF of coprime numbers is 1. Another few important concept, HCF of hx comma hy. If h is common, h into HCF of x comma y. These are the some of the concepts which we discussed. Now today's class, another 10 to 15 concepts you are going to discuss. Listen carefully. Now these are some of the questions. Anil Nair's way of solving highest common factor. Logical way to solve HCF problems. Logical way to solve HCF problems. Listen carefully, sir. Before we solve, first we will discuss the concept. Concept 1. Concept 1. See here. Suppose if I want LCM of 6 comma 12. 12 is a multiple of 6. So answer is directly 12. Directly 12. Similarly, LCM of 20 comma 60. 20 comma 60. 60 is a multiple of 20. So directly 60. This is for LCM. Similarly, highest common factor for 4 comma 20. In LCM we took the multiple. LCM is least common multiple. Multiple means it is a number which is largest among other numbers if all the others are factors. Multiple means we took the highest. HCF. HCF is highest common factor. Factor means lowest. Factor means lowest. Multiple is highest. Multiple is highest. Take the lowest number. Does 4 divide 20? Yes. So HCF is 4. HCF is 4. Suppose HCF of 5 comma 30. HCF of 5 comma 30. HCF stands for highest common factor. Factor for a number will come to the left side of the number. Multiple to a number come to the right side of that number. Factor means take the smallest value. 5. Does 5 divide 30? Yes. Does 5 divide 30? Yes. Some more examples. HCF of 15, 30, 60, 120. 15, 30, 60, 120. I want HCF. HCF is highest common factor. Factor means take the lowest value. 15. Check whether this lowest value is a factor of every other number. 15 is a factor of 30. 15 is a factor of 60. 15 is a factor of 120. So answer is nothing but the lowest value. What we did it in LCM type 1, the same concept holds good in HCF. The only difference is in LCM I will take the largest value. In HCF, I will take the smallest value. I will take the smallest value. For example, HCF of 20, 60, 120. Take the smallest value. Smallest value is 20. Does 20 divide 60? Yes. Does 20 divide 120? Yes. So answer is 20. I hope concept 1 of type 1 in LCM and type 1 in HCF both are similar. Now type 2. Type 2. This is type 1. This is type 1. Now type 2. Just listen to the class. You don't need to tell the answer anything. Type 2. Type 2. First we will do LCM. In LCM, what we did, LCM of 6, 9. First we checked whether 9 is a multiple of 6. 9 is not a multiple of 6. So what I did, I took the next multiple of 9, which is 18. Is 18 divisible by 6? Yes. So I wrote 18. Similarly, LCM of 15, 25. Yesterday in the first session, I have told you very clearly method 1, method 2, method 3 till method 6 of LCM. 15, 25. Largest number is 25. Is 25 divisible by 15? No. Because it is LCM. LCM is least common multiple. Take the multiples of the largest number. 25 2s are 50. 50 is not divisible by 15. 75. 75 is divisible by 15. So answer for this question is 75. I hope the idea is clear. This is for LCM. Now what we will do it for HCF? What we will do it for HCF? HCF of 15, 25. HCF of 15, 25. HCF of 15, 25. So the method is take the smallest number. Is 15 a factor of 25? No, 15 is not a factor of 25. Because it is multiple, I took the multiples of 9. Because HCF comes from factor, take the factors of 15. What are the factors of 15? 1, 3, 5, 15. Take the highest factor, 5. Is 5 a factor of 25? Yes. Answer is 5. I hope the idea is clear. HCF means we have to take the smallest number. Check whether smallest number is a factor of other numbers. If the smallest number is not a factor of other numbers, take the factors for the smallest number. Factors for 15 are 1, 3, 5 and 15. Check with the next highest factor, 5. Does 5 divide 25? Yes. So answer for this question is 5. HCF of 21, 35, 56. HCF of 21, 35, 56. Lowest number is 21. Is 21 a factor of 35? No. Is 21 a factor of 56? No. Take the factors of 21. What are all the factors of 21? 1, 3, 7 and 21. 21 is the number itself. What is the next number? Next number is 7. Next number is 7. Is 7 a factor of 35? Yes. Is 7 a factor of 56? Yes. So answer for this question is 7. Answer for this question is 7. I hope the idea is clear. In LCM, I will take the multiple of the largest number. I will take the multiple of the largest number. In HCF, I will take the factor of the lowest number. No difference, both are same. Factor of the lowest number. LCM, whatever we did it in method number 2, same method 2 can be used in HCF. LCM means multiple means largest number. If that largest number is not a multiple, take the multiples of the largest. In HCF, HCF means factor. Factor is the lowest number. If the lowest is not satisfying, take the factors of that lowest number. Take the factors of that lowest number. I hope this idea is clear. Now, let us solve one by one all these questions. One by one all these questions. A very beautiful class, sir. All the 3 classes today you will learn a lot. Whatever I am saying to you, please write down in your notebook. Write every point that I am going to share it with you. First one, find the HCF of 24, 60, 48, 108. Because it is HCF, what is the idea? Either the factor of lowest number. This is the logic. Factor of the lowest number. Factor of the lowest number. Lowest number is 24. Check whether 24 is a factor of every number. 24 is not a factor of 60. So the next factor for 24 is 12. Does 12 divide 60? Yes. 12 5s are 60. 12 4s are 48. 12 9s are 108. So the first one answer is 12. I hope you got an idea. First one. Second question. Find the HCF of 8, 20, 28, 44. Take the factor of the lowest number. Lowest number is 8. Is 8 a factor of 20? No. Take the next factor of 8, which is 4. Check whether 4 is dividing every other number. 4 5s are 20. 4 7s are 28. 4 11s are 44. Answer for the second question is 4. Answer for the second question is 4. I hope you got the idea. First and second. Third one. Third one. Find the HCF of 30, 42 and 135. Find the HCF of 30, 42 and 135. Take the lowest number. 30. Is 30 a factor of 42? No. Is 30 a factor of 135? No. Take the factors of 30. 15. Does 15 divide 42? No. Factors of 30 are 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 10, 15, 30. Because it is highest common factor, move from right to left. 15 is not possible. Next is 10. Is 10 a factor of 42? No, not possible. What is the next one? 6. Is 6 a factor of 42? Yes. 6 7s are 42. 6 is it a factor of 135? No. 6 is not possible. 5. 5 6 is it 5 possible? 5 possible. 5 6 are 30. 5 8s are 40. 5 is not possible. 3 14s are 42, 3 45s are 135. So answer for the third question is 3. What is the logic that we are using? HCF can also be determined as the factor of the lowest number. As the factor of the lowest number. Factor could be the highest, should be the highest value. Factor of the highest number. A very beautiful conceptual way of solving every problem in aptitude. 30, 42, 135. First over, second over, third over. Fourth one. Find the HCF of, write down in a serial order, 15, 25, 100 and 120. 15, 25, 100 and 120. 15 is not a factor of 25. Next factor is 5. 5 will divide 25. 5 5s are 5 20s are 100. 5 24s are 120. Answer for this question is 5. Answer for this question is 5. I hope option D is clear to you. Option E. Find the HCF of 108, 288 and 360. factor of the lowest number, 108. 108 is not a factor of 288. So the next factor is 36. 36. 36 8s are 288. 36 8s are 288. 36 10s are 360. It should divide every other number. So answer is 36. Answer is 36. Money, you are doing a mistake. If I take 15, 15 should be a factor of every number. Is 42 divisible by 15? No. So 15 is incorrect answer. I hope it is clear. A, B, C, D and E all are out. What if the numbers are large? F and G. I am increasing the level of the numbers. Increasing the level of numbers. HCF of 750, 6300, 18,900. Just for easier calculation, delete 1 0. Delete 1 0. Otherwise, you have to take the factors of 750, which is cumbersome. So this question became HCF of 75, 630 and 1890. What are the factors of 75? 25 is one factor of 75. 25 3s are 75. 25 2s are 500, 130, not possible. Next is 15. 15 5s are 75. 15 42s are 630. 15 1s are 15, 13 9, 15 2s are 30, 15 6s are 90. So 15 is the answer for this number, but I want the answer for 750. Another 0 is to be suffixed. Answer for this question is 150. 150. I hope it is clear, right? Now, Cherry, you asked a question. 108 factors are 254s are, 227s are, 3 9s are. So 108 can be written as 1 into 108. Next it is 2 into 54. Next it is 3 into 36. First I took 108. 54. 54 2s are 108. 54 288. It will not go in 288. So that is the reason I took 36. Cherry, I hope it is clear. Option F. A, B, C, D, E, F. How to solve HCF in a most logical way? Factor is the lowest number. Because it is the lowest number, take the factors of the lowest number. Option G. What if the numbers? I hope it is clear. I removed 1 0. I removed 1 0 and I condensed the number. Then I took the factors. Right? Option G. Chetan, tomorrow I will discuss factors and multiples. Tomorrow, when I am discussing factors and multiples, you will understand it clearly. Find the HCF of 1365, 1560 and 1755. Take the smallest number 1365. Factorize the number. 5 2s are 10, 36. 5 7s are 35. This is 3. 3 91s are 273. 7 13s are 91. So the factors for 1365 is 5, 3, 7, 13. Highest is nothing but 13. Check with 13. 13 12s are 1560, divisible. 13 1s are 13, 45. 13 3s are 13 9, 65. 13 5s are 65. Answer for this question is 13. Answer for this question is 13. Beautiful logical way to solve highest common factor. None of the questions Answer options are given. Answer options are not given. Answer options are not given. If answer options are not given, this is one way to solve the question. There are various ways we discussed in our class. Answer is an element in the set factor of b minus a. Point number 1. Point number 2. Answer can also be written as a lowest power of common prime basis. That I have not discussed. That is something I will discuss. First type today. Is it clear to each one of you? Kindly reply it in the live chat if it is clear to you. If it is clear to you, another beautiful logic. How to use answer options to find a HCF. That also we will discuss. Next one. How to find HCF using answer options. How to find HCF using answer options. But before that one, concepts. Please write down concepts. First one, HCF of even numbers is always an even number. HCF of even numbers is always an even number. Next one, HCF of 15, 25, which is 5 here. Listen carefully this example. If this number is divisible by 5, if this number is divisible by 5, answer should be divisible by 5. Answer should be divisible by 5. I hope it is clear. Now I think previous question, one student asked a doubt. Any relevant doubts we have to take. 1365, 1560, 1755, 1755. There is a doubt from Srikanth. Right? Srikanth says, sir, why did you not consider 91 and 272? Now 91 and 272. 91 is, now why I did not consider, first I will tell that question. 1365, because if any doubt is good, we should discuss that one. 3, 455s are 13, 3s are 39, 65, 5 7s are 1365 is 3 into 13 into 5 into 7. Now this is for you, Srikanth. If you see why I did not took 91. 91 is derived from 7 and 13. If I take 91, this number should be divisible by 7. 7 2s are 14, 16. 16 is not divisible by 7. If it is not divisible by 7, how can it be divisible by 91? I hope it is clear. Next one. What is the another logic that we have got? It is 273 beta, not 272. 273. 276 are 1620, but I am getting 0 at the end. So 273, there cannot be any multiple, right, which will give you 1560. That is the reason 91 and 273 are eliminated. I hope, Srikanth, you got a doubt. Now, listen carefully. HCF of, I was discussing this, 15, 25 is 5. 15, 25 is 5. Now see here. Diksha, I will come to you, right? Please hold, let me complete this concept. 15, 25 is 5. If this is divisible by 5, if this is divisible by 5, if this is divisible by 5, answer should also be divisible by 5. Answer should also be divisible by 5. Another way, HCF of a comma 20 equivalent to 60. If this is divisible by 4 and this is divisible by 4, a should be divisible by 4. Please write down this point. A should be divisible by 4. A should be divisible by 4. Right? A should be divisible by 4. HCF of 15 comma 25 is 5. Right? This is divisible by 5. This is divisible by 5. Answer should be divisible by 5. If two given inputs are divisible by some number, answer should also be divisible by some number. Or if answer is divisible by some number, one number is divisible by some number, another number should also be divisible by the same number. I hope this concept is clear. HCF of even numbers is an even number. HCF of even numbers is an even number. Why am I explaining this one? Let us solve with this concept this one. Listen carefully, sir. It is not these problems. You should know how to use this logic. Find the HCF of 420, 1782. Listen carefully. 420 is an even number. 1782 is an even number. If two numbers are even number, answer should be an even number. Answer should be an even number. 7 is cancelled. First way, HCF of two even numbers is an even number. Next one, HCF of 420 comma 1782. 1782. Listen carefully. 420, if it is this is divisible by 4, because last two digits is divisible by 4. If this is divisible by 4, if I assume answer as first option 4, if the output and one number is divisible by 4, another number should also be divisible by 4. 82 is not divisible by 4. That means my assumption is incorrect. Again I am explaining. 420 and 4. 420 last two digits is 20. It is divisible by 4. If I assume the first answer as right, 4 is divisible by 4. 420 is divisible by 4. The other number should also be divisible by 4. 82 is not divisible by 4. So therefore, first option is incorrect. If first option is incorrect, last option also will be incorrect. If a number is not divisible by 4, how can it be divisible by 8? Option is C. Answer for this question is 6. Answer for this question is 6. Answer for this question is 6. First question, I hope it is clear. Listen carefully to every statement which I am saying it in my class. First, it is clear. Some smart approaches to solve these questions. HCF of 210, comma 495, comma 980. Listen, go by the answer options. This is divisible by 10 because the unit digit is 0. This is divisible by 10 because the unit digit is 0. If I take the first option is 10. That is also divisible by 10. 495 should be divisible by 10. 495 is not divisible by 10. 10 is incorrect. Because of this example, 20, 30, 60. 20, 30, 60, it is 10. If this is divisible by 10, this is divisible by 10, this is divisible by 10, 60 should also be divisible by 10. If I take 10, 210 is divisible by 10, 980 is divisible by 10, 495 is not divisible by 10. If 10 is out, 20 is also out. If a number is not divisible by 10, how can it be divisible by 20? Now we will see 15, 15 is 5 into 3. That means if the answer is 15, that means it is divisible by 3. All the three options should be divisible by 3. 980. 9 plus 8, 17. 17 is not divisible by 3. So 15 is out. Second one answer is 5. Second one answer is 5. Now, again I am explaining. 210 is divisible by 10. 980 is divisible by 10. If the first option is divisible by 10, the element in the set should also be divisible by 10. 495 is not divisible by 10. 10 is out. If 10 is out, automatically 20 will be out. 15 is 5 into 3. 5 I am not doing because all are divisible by 5. Because all are divisible by 5. 3. Divisibility rule of 3 is sum of the digits should be divisible by 3. Divisibility rule of 3 is sum of the digits should be divisible by 3. Sum of the digits should be divisible by 3. Sum of the digits should be divisible by 3. For 980 is not divisible by 3. Right? So, 9 plus 8 is 17. 17 is not divisible by 3. Right? All the other numbers are divisible by 3. 2 plus 1 is 3. 3 is divisible by 3. 495. 4 plus 9, 13. 13 plus 5, 18. 18 is divisible by 3. Option C. Option C. Find the HCF of 1680, 3600. Directly by looking at it, we can say the answer. If this is divisible by 100, divisible by 100 is last two digits are 0, 0. If this is divisible by 100, option C is divisible by 100. 1680 is not divisible by 100. So option C is incorrect. Option C is incorrect. Option A is incorrect. Why? Because 3600, it is divisible by 9. Why it is divisible by 9? Sum of the digit C is divisible by 9. Sum of the digit C is divisible by 9. 180 digital sum is 9. But 1680, what is the digital sum? 1 plus 6, 7. 7 plus 8, 15. 15 digital sum is not 9. Option A and option C are ruled out. 140 is 7 into 20. Option D is divisible by 7. 1680 is divisible by 7. 3600 is not divisible by 7. 140 is ruled out. So answer for this question is option B. Answer for this question is option B. I hope it is clear, right? Sai Dharani, the way you are thinking is right, but you have not opened the next door. What did you say? You are saying that this is divisible by 3, divisible by 3. So answer should contain 3, right? This is an even number, this is an even number. HCF of two even numbers means answer should contain 2. What is 3 2s are 6. You only did till 3 and thinking that the answer is 3. Next one. Option D. HCF of 750, 6300 and 18,900. What I will do is, I want a very simplified calculation. So I will delete 1 0 in all the question and answer. Everywhere I will delete. Just by looking at a question I can say 630 digital sum is 9. Here also digital sum is 9. If the option is B, option B digital sum is 9. 750 digital sum is not 9. Out. 180 is eliminated. 170 is 17 into 10. 750 is not divisible by 17. right? 750 is not divisible by 17. These out. Next one, 210 is 7 into 30. This is divisible by 7, this is divisible by 7. 750 is not divisible by 7. 210 is out. Answer is 150. Answer is 150. I hope it is clear. Right? Again I am repeating. 750, 6300, 18,100. 18,100. I removed all 0, 0, 0 at the beginning, right at the end. If I look at option B, 180. 180 digital sum is 9. 6,300 digital sum is 9. 18,900 digital sum is 9. 750 digital sum is not 9. 180 is out. 170 is 17 into 10. 750 or 75 is not a multiple of 17. 170 is out. 180 is out. 170 is out. 210 is 7 into 30. 750 is not divisible by 7. So answer for this question is 150. If I eliminate 0 from 1680 and 3600, we will get 168 and 360, which is divisible by both the factors of 18. You made a mistake, Prasad. Mistake is the divisibility rule of composite number is write the number as a product of two coprimes. That is the divisibility rule of a composite number. For example, 12 divisibility rule is not 2 into 6 but 3 into 4, because 3 and 4 are coprime to each other. This theorem we call it as Chinese remainder theorem. So according to you, if it is 18 cannot be written it as 3 and 6 because they are not coprime. You should use the divisibility rule of 2 and 9. I hope you have understood the mistake which you did it. Composite number divisibility rule is a product of two coprime numbers. It is a product of two coprime numbers. All the four options. Is it clear to you? Please reply in the live chat if it is clear to you. Is it clear to you? Balaji, I am taking 750 number. You are taking 1890 number. I am taking this number. This cannot be 180. 180 is divisible by 9. This is divisible by 9. This is divisible by 9. 750 is not divisible by 9. 180 is, 170 is out. 210 is out. 150 is the answer. 150 is the answer.